Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Maida over here. In today's video, I'm not gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. As you guys can see, my face is already done and I'm ready to start my day. It's like, what time it is? It's 8 in the morning, so I'm just gonna get my hair done right now and I'm gonna review for you guys this hairstyling iron. It's a professional hairstyling iron that I received a couple weeks ago and I've been trying for the past few days and I honestly like it. This product is from the brand Duvolle. I received this like at the beginning of the month and I've been trying it because I have to try a product before in order to tell you guys what I think about it. If I don't like it, I'm not even gonna talk about it, I'm just gonna return it. But since you guys are seeing this here, this means that I like it. This is just the packaging. It's really cute. The flat iron was in here and this is the actual flat iron. So this is a tool I'm gonna be testing today for you guys. Well, not testing because I've already tried it, but I'm gonna be showing you how it performs in my extensions. I did not want to try this product on my hair because I don't feel comfortable applying heat to my natural hair at home, so I actually have to go to a professional to do it for me. So I had to try this product on my extensions. This hair, it's pretty much not even combed yet, so I'm gonna comb it and everything. Let's see how this product is gonna make my hair look good.
This flat iron is called Rendezvous. I guess that's how you say it. Rendezvous Professional Styling Iron, and it's made out of titanium, so the plates inside the flat iron are made out of titanium instead of ceramic, which is the regular material they use on all the flat irons that we see everywhere. So basically with the titanium on the plates, it's the flat iron, it's more comfortable to use, it's lightweight, the hair slides smoothly between the plates, which makes the job easier. You know, when you're going to flat iron your hair, you don't have to really put that much effort because the titanium on the plates makes everything a lot easier, and it's very lightweight, so it's great for people who don't have strength in their arms like me but still want to get good results on their hair. Some of the things that got me really to love this flat iron even more is the fact that it reduces frizz because of the titanium. It gets hot faster. I hate having to wait for my flat iron to get hot. I usually would turn on my flat iron and I'll do my makeup or finish up my makeup and then it'll be hot enough. But with this one, I really don't have to do it because in less than 15 seconds it's already like hot all the way through.
This is the side straighten. So silky, so beautiful. I just love it. This flat iron is amazing. And this is the other side, which I'm going to work on right now.
The only thing that might be a con about this flat iron is that it's a little bit expensive, and that's when I come in with my coupon code and save y'all's lives. So if you want to get this flat iron, you can definitely use my coupon code, which is MAIDA70, and I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen and on the description box also. Overall, I think this flat iron is amazing, honestly. The first time I tried it, I remember I went once with it and I was shocked because it got straight. I didn't even have to go a second time. Just went a second time because of course it's me and I'm extra. Always remember to use heat protector spray. I always make sure I use that no matter what type of flat iron I'm using, and with this one you might need it a little bit more because it's extremely hot, extremely strong flat iron.
This is the final look. This is how my hair came out. Honestly, like I told you guys, every time I use this flat iron, my face just brightens. I'm just so happy because the results are so good. I wish you guys could feel how silky and straight this hair is right now, because before it was just a hot mess. And this is all I gotta say about this amazing tool right here. I hope you guys like this demonstration / review of this product. Don't forget to check the description box for the link for Duvolle's website, where you guys can buy this product and use my coupon code, which I'm gonna put somewhere here or here or here on the screen. I don't know yet, but I'll figure it out when I'm editing the video. Don't forget to check out the website and see the other products that they have. This is not the only amazing product they have. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and keep on checking for new videos because I filmed a few new videos up here, and yeah, it's coming. Thank you very much. See you guys on the next video. Bye.